Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some essential budget travel tips to help you save money without sacrificing fun. We're going to break down some serious travel hacks. We're talking about the kind of tips that can take you from I wish I could afford to travel to I'm booking my next flight right now. Let's get started.
All right, let's talk about planning. It's one of those things that can make or break your travel experience. I know spontaneity is cool and all, but trust me on this one. A little bit of foresight can go a long way. Booking your flights and accommodations in advance can save you a ton of cash. We're talking about significant savings here, not just a few bucks. Think of it like this. Airlines and hotels want to fill those seats and rooms. They offer lower prices to early birds to ensure they get booked. The closer you get to your travel date, the more likely they are to jack up the prices. It's simple supply and demand. By planning ahead, you can compare prices, find the best deals, and avoid the last-minute rush. So, be a step ahead of the game, lock in those deals early, and watch your savings grow. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it.
Okay, next up, we gotta talk about packing. It's one of those things that can make or break your travel experience. I used to be the king of overpacking. Seriously, I would pack for every possible scenario. I'd bring everything but the kitchen sink just in case. You know, what if I need this? What if I need that? But honestly, it was a pain. Lugging around all that weight was exhausting and frustrating. Dragging those heavy bags around, paying extra for baggage fees, and then realizing I didn't even wear half the stuff I brought. It was a waste of money and energy. So my advice? Pack light. It's a game changer. Seriously, you'd be surprised how little you actually need. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched, roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space, and leave those what-if items at home. Trust me, you won't miss them. Trust me, your back and your wallet will thank you. Plus, you'll have more freedom to move around and enjoy your trip without being weighed down.
Forget those expensive taxis and rental cars whenever you can. They might seem convenient, but they can quickly drain your travel budget. Public transportation is where it's at. Not only is it more affordable, but it also immerses you in the daily life of the city. It's way cheaper, and it gives you a chance to experience the city like a local. You'll get to interact with residents and see how they commute. Hop on a bus, navigate the subway system, or even try a local train. Each mode of transport offers a unique perspective of the city. It's an adventure in itself, and you'll save some serious cash along the way. The views from a local train can be breathtaking and offer a glimpse into the everyday scenery. Plus, you'll get to see parts of the city you might have missed otherwise. Hidden alleys, local markets, and off-the-beaten-path attractions become accessible. Embrace the local vibe, and you'll find your travel experience enriched in ways you never imagined.
Eating out for every single meal can really put a dent in your budget. Instead, why not try cooking a few meals yourself? Head to a local market, grab some fresh ingredients, and whip up a simple but delicious meal. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get to experience the local cuisine in a whole new way.
Who says fun has to be expensive? Tons of cities offer amazing free activities and attractions. Explore local parks, check out free museums or art galleries, or take a hike with breathtaking views. Do a little research before you go, and you'll be amazed at how many incredible experiences you can have without spending a dime.
Let's talk about money for a sec. Exchanging money at airports is like walking into a tourist trap with a giant sign that says, "Overcharge here." Avoid those airport currency exchanges like the plague. Seriously, they have some of the worst exchange rates and fees. Instead, use your debit card at a local ATM, or consider getting a travel credit card with no foreign transaction fees.
Here's a secret. Traveling during off-peak seasons is like finding a golden ticket to savings. Think about it. Fewer crowds, cheaper flights, and better deals on accommodations. Plus, you'll have a more authentic experience without all the tourist traps. So, ditch the peak season madness and embrace the tranquility of off-peak travel.
Look, I get it. Fancy hotels are nice. But you know what's even nicer? Saving a ton of money. Instead of splurging on a 5-star hotel, check out budget-friendly options like hostels, Airbnb, or even consider staying with friends or family. You'll have more cash in your pocket to spend on experiences and adventures, which is what travel is all about, right?
If you're a frequent traveler, you need to be using travel rewards and points. Seriously, it's like getting free money for travel. Use credit card points, frequent flyer miles, or sign up for hotel loyalty programs.
Souvenirs are awesome, but it's easy to get carried away and blow your budget. Before you go, set aside a small amount specifically for souvenirs. That way, you can bring home a piece of your trip without breaking the bank. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later.
Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel advice. Safe travels.